Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Nikki Carburetor Kit is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the optimal performance of your gasoline engine. Carburetors, responsible for mixing air and fuel, can deteriorate over time due to wear and tear, leading to issues like poor fuel efficiency and engine performance. This video will guide you through the process of rebuilding your Nikki carburetor with a rebuild kit, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Number 5. DEF Carburetor Repair Kit for BNS 796184 Nikki Carbs. Are you having trouble with your engine? This repair kit is designed to fix your carburetor issues. It's a brand new kit that can help you get your engine running smoothly again. This kit is a replacement for several engines. It fits BNS, Craftsman, and many more 11 HP to 19 HP engines. It's a versatile solution for various engine problems. This kit replaces old Briggs numbers like 698787, 699900, 699521, 792369, and 790032. If you have any of these numbers, this is the perfect replacement. It will help you get your engine running like new. This is a brand new kit, specifically designed for Nikki carburetors. It's the perfect solution if you have a Nikki carburetor. This kit ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. This kit is designed to replace BNS 796184. It fits most 215,000 model engines. Everything you need is included in the package, as shown in the picture. What we like. This kit is designed to fit a wide range of engines, making it a versatile choice. It includes everything you need for a complete rebuild. If you have multiple machines or are unsure of your specific engine model, it's a great option. It ensures you have all the necessary components for a successful repair. What people say. This kit had all the parts plus extras for different MDL carbs. Good quality O-rings and seals, plastic parts were deburred and smooth-edged. Carb worked great. Number 4. Panari 695426 Float Bowl Gasket 5-pack. This is a 5-pack of float bowl gaskets from Panari. It's designed to replace the number 695426 gasket. This will help you get your lawn mower running smoothly again. This gasket is a direct replacement for the Nikki carburetor. It's designed to fit various models. Replacing this part can solve your engine problems. This gasket fits Briggs and Stratton engines, including models 111902, 111982, and many more. It also fits various engine models, ensuring a wide range of compatibility. It is compatible with engines like 20A114-0537E2, 20A412-0007E1, and 20A413-0123E1. This gasket is designed for a variety of engines, making it a versatile choice for repairs. This gasket also fits Toro 74501 lawn tractors. Make sure it fits your model before purchasing. This will help you get your lawn mower running smoothly again. You will receive a pack of 5 gaskets. Always verify your engine's model and part numbers. This ensures you receive the correct parts for optimal performance. What we like. This product focuses on a critical component, the float bowl gasket. It's compatible with a wide array of engines and models. If you are experiencing fuel leaks or performance issues related to the float bowl, this is the perfect solution. It's a cost-effective way to address a common problem. What people say. Installed the new gasket, and the generator fired right up on the second pull. Purchased this set and the first one I put in the carburetor was a perfect fit. Closed up the carburetor, installed it on the generator, cranked it right up. It runs fine with no leaks. Exact replacement for Nikki carb without separate fuel inlet O-ring. Number 3. AUTOKAY Carburetor Kit for Onan Nikki Performer. Is your Onan engine running rough? This AUTOKAY Carburetor Kit is designed to restore optimal performance. It's a reliable solution for your engine's needs. This kit is compatible with various Onan engines, including OL16, OL18, OL20, and more. It's also designed for the P and B series engines. This ensures a wide range of applications. Specifically designed to replace Nikki carburetors. This kit is a direct replacement for several part numbers. It offers a perfect fit and easy installation. This kit provides all the necessary components for a complete carburetor repair. It helps to rebuild your carburetor, restoring it to its original functionality. It is a cost-effective solution. The kit is designed for easy installation, allowing you to quickly get your engine back up and running. It includes all the necessary parts for a smooth replacement process. You will be able to enjoy the benefits quickly. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for Onan engines. It's a complete rebuild kit, ensuring you have all the necessary parts. If you own an Onan engine and are experiencing carburetor problems, it's the ideal choice. It's designed to restore your engine's performance. What people say. Quality. Fit. Performance. Fit exactly as ordered. All parts fit fine. Number 2. HIPA 698781 Float Bowl Gasket, Pack of 5. Is your lawnmower giving you trouble? This gasket kit is the solution. It's designed to fix common carburetor problems, ensuring your engine runs smoothly. This pack includes 5 float bowl gaskets and 5 O-rings. It's a direct replacement for part number 698781. Make sure it fits your specific engine model. This product fits various models, including those from Troy-Bilt and Toro. It's also compatible with Nikki Carburetors. This ensures wide compatibility. Replacing the gasket is straightforward. Simply remove the old one and install the new one. This will get your mower back in action quickly. Before you buy, double-check your engine model and part numbers. This will help you ensure that you receive the right parts for your machine. What we like. This product provides multiple float bowl gaskets. It's a reliable replacement for a common failure point. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution to address fuel leaks, it's a great choice. It offers peace of mind with multiple gaskets. What people say. Was the right one, it fit and it was great quality. I like that it comes in bulks. Seal was great, no leakage and functional. These match the original genuine OEM Briggs & Stratton part number 698781 float bowl gasket. I put these on top of and is an exact match. Arrived on time. Fuel inlet O-ring had to be stretched a little to seal fuel inlet, but once properly placed it did the job quite well. I also found the sealing gasket for the metering plate fit very well and was a proper fit to stop external and internal bowl leakage. Number 1. PAGOW 54832 Carburetor Repair Kit. This is a repair kit for the Nikki V twin carburetor. It's designed to rebuild your carburetor, ensuring optimal performance. This kit includes all the necessary components for a complete overhaul. The kit is specifically designed for the Nikki 2-barrel carburetor. It's a perfect fit for your engine. This ensures a seamless replacement and improved engine function. Included are fuel transfer tube and seal O-rings, part numbers 841653 and 690988. These are crucial for preventing fuel leaks and maintaining proper fuel flow. Replacing these will help keep the engine running smoothly. The kit also contains bowl and nozzle gaskets, with part numbers 69099 and 841649. These gaskets create a tight seal, preventing fuel leakage. They are essential for the carburetor's efficient operation. It also comes with O-rings for the jets. These small but important components help to seal the jets. They ensure the correct fuel mixture for optimal engine performance. This new kit is designed for the Briggs Stratton Nikki number 54832. It provides everything you need to restore your carburetor. With this kit, you can get your engine running like new again. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for V-twin carburetors. It includes all the necessary components for a rebuild. If you have a V-twin engine and are experiencing carburetor issues, it's the perfect solution. It's designed to restore your engine's performance. What people say. Exact parts for rebuild. As described. Fits perfectly. Works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.